It's sometimes hard to find the right place when you're the kind of traveler looking to get away from it all. Sometimes they're too busy, sometimes they're too complicated, and it would be nice to have an all-in-one package where all the little details are taken care of for you. Couples can benefit from the vacation splendor with all-you-can-eat packages, all-you-can-drink perks, and even get to do it in a child-free environment. This is the Traveler's Post. Today, we're going to look at 10 of the top all-inclusive adults-only resorts across the world. These places not only have it all, but they provide you with the peace of mind that your entire vacation is wrapped up neatly with a bow. No matter where in the world you want to go, there's a resort just for you, and we're here to prove that. So make sure you've got your bags packed, subscribe to the channel, and let's dive in. Number 10. Sandals Les Sources Granada Resort and Spa, Granada. On the southwest tip of Granada, you'll find a luxury couples-only resort called Sandals Les Sources Granada. The luxurious location sits on acres of perfectly landscaped grounds. It's home to multiple pools, a state-of-the-art spa, and delicious food as far as the eye can see. Couples can truly get the most out of their experience by exploring some of the many experiences curated for them. From a romantic fire pit to a picturesque swinging chair over a breathtaking pier view. Number 9. Galley Bay Resort and Spa, Antigua. This boutique resort is made for adults, set on a 40-acre property in Antigua. Beachfront rooms and suites mix the convenience of modern amenities with the Caribbean ambiance. You'll never want for anything, from the deluxe soaking tubs give you a tranquil space to relax, and the ocean views add a bit of luxury. The open-air spa that the resort features is ideal for couples massages. There are plenty of different dining options to choose from, everything from Caribbean barbecue to fresh seafood. Whether you want to head to the bar for drinks and an ocean view, or enjoy the range of fun-filled water sports included in the rate, you'll have an experience that's built just for you. Number 8. Kamandu Maldives Island Resort, Maldives. With a spectacular surrounding flight, Kamandu Maldives Island Resort is just 45 minutes away from the Malé Airport by seaplane. These intimate accommodations are perfect for lovebirds looking to get away from it all from within a luxurious room across the private island. The rooms are stunning, but the private patios and direct beach access are all the real stars. You can pamper yourself or each other with massages and facials or relax poolside by the beachfront infinity pool. Number 7. Royal Davui Island Resort, Fiji. On the stunning Bega Lagoon, you'll find an adults-only sanctuary in Royal Davui Island Resort. The small collections of villa and suites fit right in with the stunning surroundings. The resort offers guests a once-in-a-lifetime experience with glass doors that lead to sun decks, plunge pools, and panoramic views of the lagoon. You'll feel like you're royalty, enjoying champagne breakfasts on a deserted sandbar and private beach. If you're the type to look for a more active part in your all-inclusive package, then Royal Davui also offers outdoor adventures like snorkeling, sea kayaking, diving, and so many more ways to experience the area's colorful marine life. In the end, unwind with a luxurious spa treatment that utilizes fresh coconut milk and virgin coconut oil to rejuvenate and renew. Number 6. Jade Mountain Resort, St. Lucia. As one of the most romantic resorts in St. Lucia, Jade Mountain Resort brings the beauty of the Caribbean with its gorgeous architectural design. Enjoy the stunning views of the Pitti and Gros Piton Mountains while nestled in the sun-soaked hillside. Your high-rise villa is easily the best part of the resort, with an open design, 15-foot ceilings, dedicated butlers, and in-room infinity pools. You'll want for nothing and need for even less. This all-inclusive offers an incredibly cost-effective choice for guests looking to dine on award-winning cuisine, enjoy live music, and refreshing cocktails. If you want something unmistakably beautiful, take some time to appreciate the unmatched stargazing opportunities. Number 5. Triple Creek Ranch, a Montana hideaway, Darby, Montana. There's no need to travel across the world for an all-inclusive experience with 5-star luxuries. Triple Creek Range has all you need in the heart of the gorgeous Bitterroot Mountain Range. Stay in a cozy ranch resort with accommodations that include log ranch cabins with wood-burning fireplaces and outdoor hot tubs. If you like to bump things up a notch, you can splurge for one of their luxury ranch homes. Trade the Caribbean oceans for memories of horseback riding, fly fishing and hiking, or Western activities like dog sledding, snowmobiling, or whitewater rafting. While the vibe is really different from others on the list, there's something comforting about the Old West meeting modern luxuries. You deserve that sort of variety in your life too. Number 4. Secrets Wild Orchid, Montego Bay, Jamaica. This sprawling adults-only resort in Jamaica is a solid choice for your romantic getaway. The extensive list of luxury facilities give the guests plenty of options, so they can make the best of their experience no matter what that might be. There's also a swim-up bar and open-air restaurant perfectly made to unwind. But if you want a more active experience, there are also dance classes, cooking classes, jogging trails, a movie theater, and a shopping center. Whether you're luxuriating in the upscale contemporary decor or enjoying the peace of the crystal blue waters, whatever it is, Secrets Wild Orchid Montego Bay has everything you could ever ask for. Number 3. Sanctuary Cap Cana, Punta Cana, Dominican Republic. As one of the Dominican Republic's most exclusive adults-only all-inclusive, you'll be in for a real treat if you're able to get in. From spectacular suites to the world-class spa, you'll never have a dull moment. Sip tropical beverages at the swim-up fresco bar, enjoy fresh seafood daily, or access the pristine white sand beach. At the end of the night, you can always enjoy the many themed and cocktail parties or live piano bar included as part of your nightly entertainment. Perfect for couples looking to get away somewhere vibrant and beautiful. You might have to work hard to get in, but it'll be so worth it. Number 2. Maya Exclusive Resort and Spa, Rhodes, Greece. If you're looking for a little bit of old world charm, then this exclusive, premium all-inclusive will leave no wish unfulfilled. Feel embraced by the unforgettable Aegean Sea and set yourself on the idyllic southeast coast of Ghost. The iconic Maya Exclusive Resort and Spa embodies the spirit of a premium all-inclusive escape, perfect for a couple looking for some genuinely life-changing time to get away. You'll enjoy stunning views while luxuriating in the champagne bar, world-class fitness classes, and premium spa experiences for two. If you're not looking for another Caribbean escape, then this will take you well off the beaten track into your wildest dreams. Number 1. Excellence Playa Mujeres, Cancun, Mexico. Set amongst a private resort community in northern Cancun, Excellence Playa is modern and luxurious. This resort is home not only to spacious rooms but oceanfront balconies that guests will lavish on. Those who splurge on their package will discover swim-up access and private plunge pools, restaurants, bars, and an extensive selection of luxury on-site spa treatments. The beach is stunning, equipped with plush loungers where the guests can soak up the sun. If that's not your style, maybe check out the lazy river, snorkeling, or paddleboarding options. If you're looking for something truly one of a kind, there are also the rooftop terraces that include showers and an exclusive stunning plunge pool above it all. Are you planning a getaway but having a hard time narrowing down the perfect resort? No matter where in the world you want to go, you shouldn't have to balance everything at once. Picking an all-inclusive resort allows you to go somewhere and not have to pick out all the fine-tuned details that'll bog down your trip. There are plenty of all-inclusive resorts across the world, so you and your partner can take this opportunity to plan something genuinely unforgettable together. Forget the stress. Give yourself the gift of having it all taken care of for you. Are you in the market for a grand getaway? Have you ever been to any of the locations we talked about today? If so, let us know in the comments below because we'd love to hear your perspective on them. Or let us know if you have a suggestion that we might have missed. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to watch our amazing video on the best all-inclusive resorts in the US. You'll enjoy that one too. If you want to see more videos like these, then make sure you leave a like on it and subscribe to the channel with post notifications turned on so you don't miss out. That's gonna be it for today. This has been the Traveler's Post, and we'll see you next time on your next big adventure.